Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. Today, Catherine and I are going to be spending the day together. We already did this morning. We went on our 2-mile walk, worked out together, did a little ab, core circuit, and then also some glutes. Yeah, now we're gonna go run some errands because what do you have to do? You have to get a wedding gift?
Yeah, bridal shower gift.
Bridal shower gift. And then we're gonna go to Topgolf today, later with some family friends, and then we're gonna have dinner with our cousin, his girlfriend, and then my aunt. So it's a very, very packed day today. Tomorrow's gonna be even more packed. Matcha is getting neutered, so that's gonna be a whole fiesta. We're at Target, and how cute are these s'more sticks? I'm obsessed. Also, we need to get my dad a Father's Day card. Catherine and I are going to Europe at the end of June, and we don't have anything travel size. So we made our way to the travel size section, and we're gonna get some things. I lost my glasses, so I'm gonna get a new one. We got out of Target and I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of what we got. Okay, first off, I got the TSA compliant travel container kit. There was a green one and then a blue one. I chose blue because I really like the color blue. Then I got these sunglasses, which I might actually wear right now because it's pretty sunny outside. Lots of travel size things. I have 2 Billy razors at home. I've got this purple sparkly one, and then I've also got this pink and orange neon one. I just did a brand deal with Target and Billy razors. Catherine wanted one of her own, so she bought this one. It's the water park starter kit. I love these because for only $10, you get the razor handle, 2 interchangeable blades, and then the magnetic holder, which can stick to your shower. So nice because it doesn't collect bacteria, unlike all the other razors that you just like place down. A toothbrush, Suave Sweet Pea and Violet deodorant, some conditioner, shampoo. These are great. This is like one of those sterile toothbrush protectors. I've grown up having these basically all my life. Another pair of sunglasses, Colgate Optic White toothpaste, some baby wash, this is really good body wash, dry shampoo, and of course, some flossers. So it was a very successful Target haul today. Catherine is in Ulta right now grabbing some last minute things, but I had to post a brand deal, so that is why I stayed in the car. Brand deals take quite a while to post because you have to make sure that you have all the correct tags, ads. Waiting to hear back if Billy approves it. I really like these sunglasses. I can't believe that they were only $17 and they look exactly like my Australian brand Key ones that were like $80, but those are my favorites. I just left them at home. We just got to our bay. We're at 310 and I love being on these ones. I hate being on the ground level because you just cannot hit it at all. Catherine's getting a drink, so now I'm driving. What drink are you gonna get? You can determine. You should get a strawberry daiquiri. If any of y'all have ever come to Topgolf, comment down below if you've gotten their mac and cheese balls or the pretzel bites, because those are so good. Rate the drink. 8.5. Why? I don't know, it's really good. We ordered chips and queso. The ice isn't making the bottom cold. No, it tastes really good. It's just colder. My name is Catherine and I think Rhonda's gonna win. My name's Caroline. I think Uva's gonna win.
My name's Cassidy. I feel like Catherine is gonna win or Uva. Just because he's a man and he's stronger.
Oh, you did it. It's
Caroline.
I'm not very good.
I don't think either of us are gonna win.
My name is Rhonda and I think Caroline's gonna win.
Really?
My name's Jonathan and I think you will win.
Hi, I'm Leonie. I think I will win.
Hello, I'm Ruben. I think Catherine will win.
Oh! She's ready. She's ready. She's giving us the lesson because she's a pro golfer. I personally like these ones. Oh my gosh, good job. driving the coche.
El coche.
So Kat and I won Angry Birds, but truth be told, it's really not that hard to win that one. It's really freaking easy.
Also, we just played Angry Birds a lot, I think.
Uva won the main
He
one.
says he's never played golf before, but I don't believe it.
I'm telling you,
I'm calling cab.
beginner's luck is a real thing, because when we went to Colorado, I learned how to play Yahtzee for the first time. Catherine had already played, and every time that we would play with new people who had never played, they always won.
Okay, but that's different. Golf takes like skill, you know?
Truth. But my guess was correct, so congrats Uva if you're watching. You guys, be safe. There are scary men out there.
I think when we go back, we should go
that way. Yeah, Catherine had just left this parking garage and there was a really weird guy. So we're going to Errands right now because school year's over, which means we need new academic planners. And
on top of that game.
we're on top of the game. It's not even back to school 2023 yet. We're gonna get that from Errands because that's the only place that I get my planners from. You should get yours from there too. Is so stinking cute.
I like that goat one.
Dad, the myth, the legend. I like the goat one. This is my favorite person who makes cards. Father's Day is coming up. Get your dad a card. I think the dumpling's cute. We're also getting my aunt a gift because we're about to have dinner with her. Okay, but how cute is this one? Yo, something was in the air today at the Domain because we just saw a crazy thing. First off,
I don't want to stay in this garage any longer than we have to.
First off, when we walked out, this scary guy was literally staring at us, and he when we kept walking, he was leaning his neck back. Oh, she's pissed that you turned this way. Second thing that we saw,
Tell her.
these two girls walking past us like this. One of them looks at me like this. Literally, Catherine even saw it. Yeah. We are gonna meet our aunt at this place in Buda. It's called Taste on Main, so we will see you when we get there. I'm so excited to see my aunt. We got her birthday gift. She's tired. We're at Summer Moon now. We are gonna share a 20-ounce Blue Moon.
If I drink more caffeine than that, I'm not gonna be able to go to sleep tonight,
So we'll share it.
Paper source. Oh, passport. I've been wanting to get something like this.
For Japan! For Japan!
I know,
We know how much you travel.
Thank you.
Brennan's being antisocial.
You like that one better? Let me try this one again.
We got cheesecake and key lime pie.